Hello everybody, today I will be unloading hay. A while ago I uploaded an unloading hay video and now this is a part 2. We've already done one load today. We're almost done with this one and we got one more. So you take the bale, put it onto this conveyor right here, and it goes up to the top where someone grabs it and throws it where it needs to be thrown to. And then it's stacked like so. We just finished this load. We might not do the last load today, so we might do it tomorrow. It is day 2. Yesterday I did 2 loads and today we will be doing 2 more. We just finished that load and we're going to be doing another one in a minute. We just finished that one and we will be doing another load momentarily. Day 3, we are doing 2 loads. We just finished one and we got one more over there. We also found what was left of a tape measure in one of the bales. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.